Welcome back, everyone. We have a little bit of rain that's showing up throughout our Illinois counties on the Storm Team 10 storm tracker. No storms and not as active as a scene as it was yesterday. We had a few warnings out in Illinois. That is just not the case tonight. We do have some of those scattered light showers now draping from Clay County, Illinois over to the Olney area just to the north of that US 50 corridor there. We'll put the radar into motion and you can see the track of this line of light rain moving from the west to the east. So it will progress off into our Indiana counties eventually, but we have a lot more rain that's developing just back to our west. Take a look back near St. Louis. This rain is going to eventually move its way closer to the overnight. I am expecting this cluster of showers and even a few thunder showers to move in through the overnight. Again, severe weather is not expected with this set to move through, but looking ahead at tomorrow could be a different picture, especially in the afternoon hours when we add that heat into the atmosphere. There is a slight risk for the entire Wabash Valley. It is the lowest of the three risk categories, but it's something we're going to be monitoring quite closely over the next day or so to see if those stronger storms do develop. Not only the storm's going to bring in a lot of moisture to the valley, but also Tropical Storm Bill that just made landfall down off the coast of Texas. Watch its track, though, over the next several days here. It will advance us through about Saturday afternoon. Here's 2:35 p.m. This is just one weather model's prediction of the path of the storm, but should it continue in here, looks like by late Friday into Saturday morning, it will bring a bulk of that moisture right into the heart of the Wabash Valley. Why do we need to monitor this? Well, that's because we have a lot of rain that's associated with it. Could bring in a couple of inches of rainfall as we begin our weekend. Now, we have a dome of high pressure across the southeastern U.S., and that's why we're watching the track of the storm system basically lift to the north of this ridging here in the eastern U.S. All of this moisture, again, following a pretty specific path there, taking that rainfall right into the valley. But let's talk about what we have in store tonight. We do have an ongoing flash flood watch throughout our Illinois counties. This will go into effect tonight, lasting through tomorrow night. Also along all of our local rivers, a flood warning that again is ongoing, because looking ahead, even at the next 48 hours, a significant amount of rainfall is possible, mainly over 3 inches for many locations, especially along that I-70 corridor. So watch Futurecast of the overnight tonight. Just after midnight, here's 4 a.m. and Joseph Dames will be in for your morning news. Widespread rain going to be in place 7 a.m. on Wednesday. A pretty soggy morning commute for you. Same deal into our Wednesday afternoon. You see these scattered showers and thunderstorms at this point. That's when we're going to be watching for the threat of some stronger storms. So your forecast for tomorrow, keep that rain gear handy. 79 at noon and back to 80 by 5 p.m. That saturated pattern will continue all through the overnight, putting us into our Thursday. Then once again, rain stays in the forecast as we wrap up the latter part of the week. So your forecast for tonight, 70, staying warm and muggy with scattered storms in the forecast. And check out your Wednesday, a 70% chance of rain and storms. And keep in mind that slight risk that we could see some strong to severe storms here in the valley. Storm Team 10 will be all over it, bringing you the latest weather information throughout the day.